Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful braided crip bumper. So we're going to be starting off with 3 colorful lycra fabric material. Lycra fabric is very stretchy in nature. So all you have to do is measure 7 inches in width. And the lycra fabric I bought is 60 inches in length. So I'm going to be cutting out 4 pieces of 7 inches by 60. But mind you, that will be very long. So I'd advise you cut out 3 pieces. And you do that to all the colors you have. After doing that, you would now join the 3 pieces together. Just like you see me do. You need at the ends. Join everything so you have one big rope, like one big piece. One long piece. After doing that, you fold it and sew straight down to get a straight loop, and then you join the 3 colors together. So I went ahead and did that in my sewing machine, and trust me guys, this was very long. I'd advise you cut out 3 strips like I said earlier on. Then as you can see, I had joined the 3 of them together so it will be easy for me to braid when I'm done fixing the fiber. All you have to do next is to get something that you would use in putting the fiber inside. I got this. You can use a PVC pipe if you have, but I got this stuff in the market. You know, this is this stuff that wrap materials are always in the market. So you push it into the loop and take it to the end of where you sewed the 3 colors together and just start filling in the fibers. When you fill in the fibers, you know your hand cannot equally go in through, so you will need like a stick to be able to push in the fiber to get to the end, just like you see me do. I found out that this pole I was using was actually short, so I had to take off my cotton pole. You can use your cotton pole or even a mop stick just to help you push the fibers through until you get to the end. And don't really make the fibers too thick, make it light and loose so that you will love the braids afterward. So you're gonna do this until you fill in the fibers in the 3 different colors. Trust me guys, you need to go and borrow patience if you don't have patience. You definitely need to borrow patience to do this, because guy, it was really time consuming and I could not finish it. I had to employ help. And oh my god, I want to give a shout out to my sister and my friend Riri. They helped me a lot because I wasn't able to finish this project. By the time I was about finishing this project, baby came, so I was in the hospital and I asked them to just complete the project for me. So this is them trying to braid the crip bumper. So guys, as you see, we finished filling in the foam, and all you have to do is braid it. Loose braids, so it will turn out beautifully. You would braid it until you get to the end. Then you measure it with your crip. If it's too long, you cut it to the size of your crip. After braiding that, you use a needle and thread and stitch the end of the braid. You know, you stitch it in so everything will look neat, just like you see me do, or perhaps see Riri do. Oh my god, if you watch up to here and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do the needful by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family guys. And yes, here you have it, your beautiful crip braided bumper. I love it so much. The colors came out so beautiful. It came out so super adorable. If you like it, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Thanks. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.